Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Bath Salts First channel. On today's episode, we're doing a review of the new Crit Route Castle Crit. And this thing starts off, this is probably the most brutal start. Because it's all uphill until the banner. Well, technically, there's 2 spots where it dips, but that really doesn't count. It's all uphill. So, on disregard the heart rate. For some reason, Zwift hates pairing to my heart rate at the start of these races now. It's been like that for like the last 2 updates. Don't know what's quite going on with that. But going back to this, it is all uphill. If you could think about the forward Hillycon route, that still has like a minute and a half worth of flat before hitting the con. There's a couple in New York that come out of the pens, but still, it's like a minute and a half before you actually start climbing. Technically, that's could be considered a little bit of a lead in before the hill. This is you start right on this hill, and you can say the Mercury 40 is similar to the start, though it goes the opposite direction. By this point, it goes up to the castle area there. But with that one, you're not trying to drop the sprinters. The sprinters know the tiny light riders get off the front. They can just group up and have 40 kilometers to get those tiny riders back. This is a case where the high watt per kilo guys in each category are going to have a field day, because there's only really about a kilometer worth of flat after this banner. Then it's downhill. Then you're right back up this hill. Like, so this relies on, you have to make sure you ace the start of this climb and be warmed up when you're doing this route. We haven't even started the actual loop here. The way I split this up is that I did the front half and I did the back half of this race. I was technically just treating this as a content creation piece. So I wasn't really racing. But so we go through this section. So you get 2 banners. So you get the banner that's coming up here, and you get another banner in about a kilometer or so later. So if you don't like the power up here, just burn it. Get some value out of it. So yeah, that is probably one of the most brutal starts that you can have to the race. So I let this rider go off here. Oh, this part does go slightly uphill here. So right from this blossom tree here. So it goes uphill. It's 2 to 3% average. You can drop the feather there if you're just looking to grab another if you're looking for either the arrow power up or the draft boost anvil at the next banner. It's easy to do. So that would be my suggestion. Or you can just save the feather however you value the feather. Like, if you're willing to sort of sacrifice one power up without gambling it, because using it for the main hill. Like, so you make the right hand corner here. I believe I just edited this little quick next little section out of the race. Yeah, so now we're on to the final lap here. I'm just chilling with these 2 boys in the back. So I was burning the arrow power up looking for the feather. And I don't think I got it. Memory serves me correctly, I got the arrow. Yeah. So I was just chilling with these two boys. I love it how the draft guy kind of seems to be going to the front and kind of just wasting his power up. What you gonna do? So this is now the downhill section. We have a guy that's about 20 seconds up the road from me, and we have a guy that's up a minute 20 up the road. I'm not caring. This is just a chill ride for me. It was my day off of racing, so so this is a pretty fast downhill section, not the fastest. If you're at the front, you can get into the super tuck. I never quite actually got to the front of the group, and I was pedaling backwards. I find sometimes just keeping some blood flowing in the legs, pedaling backwards is a good thing to do. So I would have probably dropped the arrow, now thinking about it, a little bit sooner than I did, so I can have a little bit of a better run. So you can really gain some time on somebody who's been doing FTP for quite some time. Like I get within 4 seconds before I just slow rolled it in. So like I just wanted to see how much of a gap I could claw back on this guy. So like I only got up to I think 176 beats. So like I wasn't near the top of the end. I'm like I'll just let him get the win because he's been out in front for such a long time. Yeah. So hope you guys like this new route. All right. Bye bye guys. Comment, like, and subscribe.